Hello everyone and welcome. In the previous video I showed you the Victorinox S18. Go check it out if you haven't already. I put a link right here of the video. And here I have the original Wenger S18. Because in today's video I will show you all the differences between Wenger and the Victorinox Delemont range. Let's take a quick look at the Wenger, because I've never shown you this one. This is the Wenger Grip S18, and it's a kind of a special model for the Patagonia Expedition race. As you can see right here, it has a special laser cut logo, and this model with the Wenger logo into this globe is the first edition. And there was a second one with a different logo. But now let's take a look at the tools inside. We have of course toothpick and tweezers right here in the scales. We have a nice locking blade as the new S18 with a lock button right here, the nail file with a nail cleaner. We have scissors, micro serrated scissors. We have a saw, okay, and the bottle cap lifter with a large screwdriver that locks with pressure, okay, and we have here the can opener. In the backside tools we have a awl, okay, and the Phillips screwdriver. Now, of course it's the same model, so the tools inside are the same, but there are some differences. Now I want to explain why, for me, there are differences. When Victorinox bought Wenger, I think they studied all the weaknesses based on return knives, and so they changed a few things. This is my theory, but I think that's the reason behind the little changes I will show you. So now, starting from scales, if you take a look at the Wenger scales, they are like this, okay? It's all thick plastic to the tools, okay? If I open a tool, you see that it's plastic to the tool. But inside, if I open, okay, all Wengers inside, you can see there is an aluminium liner, okay, part. It's the same for Wengers, okay. Also, classic shape Wengers are the same liner on the inside. On the new Victorinox design, as all Victorinox, okay, this is the same, this is Swiss Champ, okay. The scales are made of less thicker plastic, and you find a aluminium liner, but you can see here with the same shape of the scales. It's all the same, all Victorinox, okay. And why this? So it was actually a very common thing, and I experienced it by myself with another knife, but if you drop a Wenger and it hits the top or the bottom of the scales, they break, okay. So I think that they had a lot of return knife with this problem, and with this design it was a bit more I think durable, more flexible, I don't know, but okay, it's not only plastic, okay, there's also aluminium here. Also another thing different but in the scales are toothpick and tweezers, okay. These are Victorinox design, and this is the Wenger design, okay. They are about the same, but they're a bit different. Another difference is the can opener. Let's see the can opener. Right here we have the Wenger can opener, okay, and this is the Victorinox shape. It has a screwdriver here on the point of a can opener. Also, I think they use the same can opener on the 84mm. Apart from this, all the other tools on this side, okay, are the same. The blade, if you want to see it, the stamp changed. So, okay. So this is the old Wenger, okay. We have Wenger Delemont, Switzerland, and the Wenger symbol here. The Victorinox, we have here the Victorinox Swiss-made Delemont, and nothing on the other side. On the other side, here you can see very well the aluminium liner right here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. And in the Wenger, there's not aluminium liner on the scales. So on the back side tools, they are very similar. Here they changed the hole, that changed from this, not sharp and without a point, okay, put right here, to this one. The Victorinox old reamer, that it has a hole right here, and it's also sharp. For this reason they changed the scales also, because here we have a little hole for your thumb, and yeah, now it's covered. But this new reamer increased the functionalities, of course. It's the same for all Victorinox knives, okay. It's the same. It's a bit dirty, but yeah. Okay. So this is it. I think I covered all the differences between Wenger knives and the Victorinox Delemont range. If you know other differences, let me know in the comments. I hope you like this video, and see you later in the next one.